Hello, this is Mark from Pelican Wooden Things. Recently, I had a friend who gave me some nice pieces of cedar wood. Just branches, as you can see. But, ooh, they cut nice. So, I thought I'd make something for the holidays. First, put a tenon on the end, and then I'm going to shape it into a cone-like shape so we can make a pine tree or Christmas tree, however you want to look at it. Skew chisel is one of my favorite tools, so I always like it when I get a chance to use it. Cut so nice. Now, after I get it down to the cone shape, I'm going to just eyeball a few marks for the sections of the pine tree. The only criteria I'm using is the space below it has to be slightly larger than the space above. Again, using my skew chisel, I'll make some V-grooves in there as stopping points for when I get out the spindle gouge. And of course, such as the spacing left to right has to be a little greater, so does the spacing in its circumference. As you work your way down the tree, it gets larger and larger. Well, we all know what shape a pine tree is, so just do the obvious. Getting a little chatter when you take off the tailstock, but overall, not bad at all. You can do most of this supported, so that's the best way. And off she flies. Just remove the little nub on the bottom. And I'll put some oil on this, and we'll have us a nice little holiday display. A little boiled linseed oil shouldn't change the overall look of it very much. Give it a little darker, but the grain was so nice I thought I'd just leave it as is. Now you can't have just one, so I thought I'd make a couple more. And basically, it's just rinse and repeat. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little project. Go out and find yourself a branch 3 or 4 inches in diameter and make yourself a few. Hey, make a pine tree out of a pine tree. Why not? Thanks for watching and have a happy holiday.